Okay, starting. Okay. Good evening, guys to be. That's how I should call you guys now. Okay, good evening. Welcome to today's meeting. I hope you can hear me very loud and clear. Since I have people on the meeting, can anyone who can hear me? Oh, let me just firstly share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay, if you can hear me loud and clear, and if you can also see my screen, please send 2+ sign on our live chat box, or you can use the groups. It's fine, one of the groups. Send 2+ sign so that I'll know that you can hear me. Okay, thank you so much, Elvis. Can you see my screen? My screen from your side. Excuse me. Guys, can you see my screen before I proceed? Okay, thank you so much, Elvis. Guys, welcome to today's meeting. We are coming, we are now very close to the end of the school, guys. I'm so glad that you've made it thus far, and I believe that you're gonna be more active, you're going to participate more, because the task that we'll be doing tomorrow, it's very important, and it's the task that will determine whether you pass or you fail this course. So please make sure, guys, that you don't um miss out on this. You make sure that you're ready for tomorrow's task, and yeah, you should be ready. Okay, trends I can to breaking door. That is your network. Please try and move around where you are, because the reason why I'm breaking it's because of your network. Your network is not good. That's the only reason. So try and move around from where you are. Okay, guys. So yeah, tomorrow you'll be working in groups, guys. The website, please make sure that you log in into the Triple M School website, so that you will be allocated a group. The website will allocate people that will be in your group. So it's not a group that I will create or you will choose. It's no one knows which group you'll be at. Okay, so the groups will be in circle, we call them circles. So you will be in circles, and they are circle numbers. So it's going to be circle 1, circle 2, circle 3, and circle 1 will have their members, circle 2 will have their members. I hope I'm clear. Guys, if there's anything that you don't understand from what I am telling you now, please make sure that you type your questions, so that I'll make sure that I clarify whatever that needs to be clarified. Okay, so yes, we'll be in circle tomorrow, and will be everyone have to participate. Okay, so I can't say that's how many you'll be in groups of how many, because the website, as I said, it's the one that allocates people. Okay, so everyone have to participate in the group. Should you not participate, that means you will fail, or if the circle as a whole doesn't participate, it means the whole circle fail. Okay, so guys, really this is a very important task, and I don't want anybody to fail here. I want everyone to be guided, but for you to pass, you need to be committed. You need to do everything as you are told. Okay, I understand it is my network. Got it. So okay, thank you. So yes, please make sure that you do participate. mostly tomorrow you'll be in groups, and then you have to share your views. So it's only about that. Everybody will be sharing views, and then you will have to compile a document, and then there will be a presentation day where circles will do their presentation according to what the circle rep has compiled. Okay, each circle will have 3 reps. Okay, so you're gonna have each circle will choose 3 people that will represent the whole circle, the whole circle. They will compile, and you'll be sharing your views in groups, and then the reps will compile everything that is shared and compile it into a document, and then that document will be submitted to me, and then you'll do a presentation as a whole where all the circles will do the presentation. Okay, so if you don't do the presentation, guys, it means that you're out, you have failed this course, so there is nothing that I can do. So please make sure that you participate, you do your presentation, everything is ready. You'll be given 6 questions to share your views on. Okay, so it's it's 7 questions. So tomorrow we'll do 3 or 4 questions, and then on Saturday we will do the rest, and then Sunday it's I'll just give you Sunday for you for the circle reps to compile everything, and then on Monday morning you start submitting your document, and then Monday afternoon we are having our business games presentation. Okay, so basically tomorrow's task is called business games. Let me just go to it so that you will see. Okay, I'm just starting with this presentation before I show you our previous task, because guys, I want to make sure that everyone, even if they are not in the meeting, they see this because it's very important. Okay, so that's why I am starting with this introduction. Okay, I just want to show you. You see, you only left with day 5 or 6 and day 7. So it's basically 2 tasks that you have to do, and then we are done. Okay, so we are almost finished, guys. So please try and put more effort on everything that needs to be done. Okay, unfortunately, okay, business games are the essential part of the study course. Here, you will learn to work in team and get experience of solving tasks that you will face in practice every day, being a guider. Okay, so guys, this task will be open tomorrow. So for one to join the group, please make sure that you log in and then you click on start the games. That's when you'll be allocated a circle. So that's when you'll have a circle number. Each and every one of you will have a circle number. Okay, so that's how you'll know which group you belong to. Okay, let me just check if we have any questions, because I don't want people to be left behind. I have been connected. Okay, so yes, you'll have circle numbers. So the first thing that you'll do tomorrow, you log into your website. It will be doing a countdown. So there is basically a countdown before the task begin, before you can actually be able to be allocated a circle. Okay, so log in, you wait for the countdown to finish, and then you click on start the games, and then you'll be allocated the group. As soon as you are allocated a group, please make sure that you create a Skype group for your circle members. Make sure that you add me on your Skype group, and then make sure that you name your Skype group as batch 2017-08-18 group 20, circle number 1 if you are circle number 1, circle number 2 if you are circle number 2. So guys, the task that you have to do tomorrow, you log in, you start the game, and then you allocated a group. You check for your members. You must find your members. If you are circle 1, look for other members for circle 1. if there must be at least one person that will be willing to create a group. Okay, I want one person to be chosen. I don't want to be added on different groups for one circle. So you'll agree on one person that will create a Skype group. Okay, and then you will add all the members on the Skype group, and then you add me as well. So guys, excuse me. So okay, you'll add members and then add me. So that's how we will participate. We will not be participating on the Skype group that we are using right now. Okay. Okay, so that's all you have to do tomorrow. Okay, as well, you have to choose 3 reps. Okay, so before the business game starts tomorrow, I want 3 reps for each and every circle. For one to qualify to be a rep, you must have a good network. You must own a laptop or a computer because you'll be compiling documents, so everything must be fast. You must be able, remember, these 3 reps will be, one of them will do the presentation on Monday. So you must be able to share your screen as well. Okay. And then you must also, from these 3 people, let's say you've chosen rep 1, and then on Monday, rep 1 experiences network issues and can't present. If there is no one else to present, then it means the circle will fail. So you must have at least 3 people. The 3 reps must be willing to back up one of the reps should he or she experiences network issues. Okay, so rep 1 will present. If the network cuts him or she her out, then the second rep will take over. Okay, so that's how we will do this. Okay, so tomorrow you log in, you start the games, you join your cycle, you look for your circle members, you create Skype group, you add all the members, circle members on your Skype group, and then you add me. I'm the last person to be added on the group. You add me, and then you discuss who will be your 3 reps. Okay, and then okay, yes, that's all you need to do. Okay, okay, that's all you need to do. And then our business games will start exactly at 7 p.m. Nigeria time. Okay, so I'll be posting those questions, and you'll be given like 30 minutes or 20 minutes to do the task. Each task has its a time frame that you have to finish doing it. Okay, so I'll be posting those tasks, and then I have to see that everyone is participating. Okay, the reps also have to check that everyone is participating, because on your document I want you to write the name of people who participated. Now this name I am going to use them to mark the last task. So if your name is not on any of the document, then it means your last task, that is task day 7, won't be marked. Remember, if one task is not marked, then you won't be a guider. You won't be upgraded as a guider. You won't get a certificate. So please make sure that when you partaking on the business games, make sure that you put the names of people who participated on the document. So that's how I will do my marking. Okay, but I'll be also checking on groups. So if you're gonna write someone who didn't participate, and I know that that person didn't participate, then okay, we're gonna have a problem. So guys, you're gonna have to do this way, because I don't want any problems. If a person is really willing to be a guider, then at least he or she should be there tomorrow. Okay, she or he should do everything that is done by everyone. Okay, so I want everyone to pass, guys, and I am willing to help anyone who needs help, um, only if you are willing. So I can't help someone who's not willing, who expect things to be done very easy. This is a school. You must do everything accordingly so that you be a guide. Okay. When are we starting the business games? Business games are starting tomorrow. Okay. So guys, I think if you are done with today's task, you can just check your previous task, and then if all your tasks are sorted, then you can just relax and be ready for tomorrow's task, because tomorrow's meeting, okay, we will have a very short meeting just to check which all the circles do have reps, and then we'll close our meeting. Then we'll go to Skype group and participate. So we please do expect to stay at least 3 hours on the online, because that's how long the business games will take. Okay, so tomorrow is business games day 1, and then on Saturday will be the business games day 2, and then on Sunday will be the day that you the reps will be compiling the document. On Monday morning, it's business games document submission, and then Monday afternoon we are having our business games presentation. Okay, they are formal. We'll be doing them on GoToMeeting. On Saturday I will give everyone a link to download GoToMeeting app, because on Monday we are using GoToMeeting app, so everyone must have a GoToMeeting app on their devices. Please note that you have to attend the meeting as well on Monday, because as I will be checking, all the circle must be there to in the meeting. Okay, so I'll be checking as well. We'll have a attended register for people who attended the meeting. So if you're not gonna attend the meeting, don't ask me what will happen to you. Okay. Are there any questions, guys? Any questions so far with the business games before we do our corrections on our previous task? Any questions? Anything you want me to clarify on tomorrow's task? Anything, guys? Let me just check on Skype. My day 1, no one is still showing a question mark. No one is still showing. Okay, guys. I'm still doing the marking. So please be patient. Marking videos takes a lot of time, because I have to watch each and every video that is submitted. So it takes a lot of time. So please be patient, but know that all your tasks will be marked. Okay, so please just don't worry too much about that. As long as you know that your task is correct and then everything is sorted, then there is nothing to worry about. Okay, guys, anyone, please type on the Skype chat. Are we clear on what do you are expected to do on the business games? Are you clear? Is everyone clear? For those who are in the meeting, is everyone clear? Because I want to know at least if these people that are in the meeting, if you understand everything, then you'll be able to share with others. Okay, is everyone clear on what to do tomorrow? Okay, now there's no responses yet. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do okay, we're gonna just do correction of all our tasks, so that because this is the last video, so it'll just stay on our chat. So anyone who is experiencing problems with anything, you'll just go to the video and watch and see where you went wrong with your task. Okay, so okay, I'll just show you how to submit a link for Facebook page. So anything that concerns Facebook, you submit it the same. Okay, so Facebook submissions are all the same. Okay, so this is my Facebook account. This is the home page. You click on your name. So my name is Ntombikona, so I'm gonna click on my name, and then here is my wall. Okay, so now you're gonna copy this link. This is the correct link that you have to submit. So this is very simple. Okay, with guys the female account, please make sure that you put the picture for a female, and then yeah, and then the submission, the link submission is the same. Okay, let me just look at this and see what else, because I've noticed people made a lot of mistake. Okay, with day 2 we did SWOT analysis. Okay, remember I said there are people who copied, so I didn't mark, though it won't be marked, their task won't be marked because they copied. Okay, so their task won't be marked, and I left a comment on all of them, those who copied. So guys, if you copied, please make sure that you redo and make your own SWOTs. Okay, and what else? Remember, okay, let me just go to my SWOTs. Okay, with SWOT and offline presentation, when you're submitting it, when you're done with your document, let's just say this is SWOT and I am done with it. Although it's offline presentation, but let's just say it's SWOT. You click on share. Please do remember this. You click on share, and then you click on get a shareable link, and then you copy the link. So this is the correct link. After clicking on get a shareable link, you'll click on copy. That will be a correct link to submit. Okay, so those are the important things. Photo, remember to, I've placed this link here. This link is for you to upload the picture of the venue. Okay, so you just browse the image in your device so that it will be uploaded on this website. After that, let me just say I'm uploading. This is the picture of the venue, so I'm uploading it here, and then I'm done. So it's uploaded, and then I'm gonna copy this link to my offline presentation. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this one and then place the new one. Okay, so this is how you do this. And then I think I've showed you guys everything. So guys, if there's anything you need me to clarify, please just type questions so that I'll know where people do not understand. Okay, the time for business game. The time for business games, guys, is 7 p.m. Nigeria time. Okay, since it's going to be in group, I suppose to log in the same time tomorrow. No, you have to log in early, guys, to check for your circles. Remember I said there will be circles to join. Okay, so please make sure that you keep checking because it will be counting down. So if it says 5 hours, make sure that you log in after 5 hours so that you will be able to be allocated a circle to join. Okay, meeting is still going. Okay, okay, guys, are there any questions? That's how I will know that what you really don't understand. What is it that you don't understand with the task? Guys, let's just communicate using our chats, all our chats. Write anything that you don't understand, because guys, this is the last meeting with our previous task. So tomorrow is just business games, and then on Tuesday we'll be doing our last task. Okay, so please, if there's anything you don't understand, just type it on our chat, and then I will tell you how to do it or show you how to do it. Okay, anything, guys, anything. Let me just check on the Skype. Guys, those in the meeting, guys, is everything clear? At least if everything is good, is sorted, or you clear with everything, just write clear on live chat. At least I want to see clear so that I'll know that people can hear me and can hear what I'm saying right now. Just type clear. If you understand everything, just type clear. If not, then type whatever that you need me to explain to you. Clear, 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 clear. Anyone? Guys, I'm waiting for questions. I'm waiting for questions. Questions, please. If you are clear, you understand everything, please say so that I will know that thank you, Victor. Victor just sent his clear. So I know Victor is clear. Anyone else, guys? Anyone else? Anyone else? Questions? Thank you, Solomon. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Anyone else? I guess we are sorted, okay? So guys, let's meet tomorrow. Okay, I'm still continuing with my marking. So please do keep checking your task whether it has been marked. So yeah. Okay, I think we are done for today. So tomorrow we'll meet at 7. Remember I said we'll have our very short meeting. Hopefully, but I'll keep reminding you guys on what to do tomorrow, so you don't really worry about uh whether you forget some of the things that I've said. I'll remind you on what to do. Okay, so yeah. We'll use our Skype group chat and as well as our website chat. So I'll tell you everything that I want from you. So as soon as I see that the circle groups have been created, I will tell you guys to create Skype group and then to add all the circle members, and then after that you'll add me, and then we'll start at 7. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for attending the meeting, and thank you so much for making sure that you do your task. Thank you so much for resubmitting, doing your corrections, making sure that it's easy for me to mark. Okay, so thank you so much. Even that we are able to you are cooperating. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll just make sure that I do all the marking because I want people to be upgraded. Or okay, upgrade being upgraded takes at least 7 days. So I want people to at least on Tuesday or Wednesday to have their certificates. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that I put a lot of effort in marking, so that whether you have been marked wrong, you'll get a chance to do your corrections. Okay, so guys, here you will you have to you don't have any other option. You have to correct your work so that you'll be upgraded. So there is no other way. Okay, there is no running away from that. So I'll be here until everyone is upgraded. Having bad network here, I'm so sorry. What is this? I can't call your name, but then what's the way forward? No, I don't know what you're talking about. What's the way forward? Okay, guys, please make sure that you share what we had on our meeting with others. Even if we didn't share, just tell them to watch the video, because some people are, I don't know why they are lazy to watch the video, because that's the only way you'll get all the info, all the answers you want. Okay, so if there are any questions on the group, please just tell them to watch the video. How do we identify the name of each person in the circle group? Okay, that is very hard, but I suggest that a person, as soon as you know your circle number, please type it on in the group. Let's say okay, I'll just use Victor. Victor knows that he is on circle 1, so as soon as you know that you're on circle 1, you just say Victor circle 1. Okay, I think that's the easiest way, and then that's how others will identify all their members. Okay, so I that's why I said we have to really use Skype. Guys, please make sure that you tell others that are not on Skype to join Skype, because this is the only way it'll be easy. As soon as you know your circle number, please type your name and then type your circle number next to it. So that's how we'll know that this person belongs to that circle group. Okay. I think are there any other questions, guys, before we close the meeting? Any other questions? Questions before we close the meeting? Okay, let me just check the website chat. The voice is breaking. I can't hear her. Guys, if you can hear having problems in hearing me, then it means you are having network issues. Okay. I guess everyone here understand everything, because there are no questions. Yeah. Okay, I think we'll have to close the meeting. That's a good one. Okay. Now we are sorted, guys. I think everyone is ready for tomorrow. Okay, guys, thank you once again so much for attending this meeting, and let's meet tomorrow at 7 p.m. Nigeria time. Good night, everyone.